Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you how to extract TikTok followers from any influencer on TikTok. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Ty Lopez here, and basically I'm just going to copy his name and I'm going to insert it here. And I'm very simply going to select the country and I am going to hit extract. Okay, so now let me close this out. And this is going to extract the names and the phone numbers of his followers. He has 92,900 followers. So just a minute, you'll see it stop populating there. It's 208. Okay, so now up to 411. So 92,900 followers. This will take a little bit of time here. So I'm going to pause the video while this extracts the followers, and then I'll show you the end result. But it's that simple. You just put the TikTok influencer's name here, and then you put your country that you want the followers. Now, when you put the country, it will extract those followers that live in that particular country, which is pretty cool. Because I mean, if you uh, want Thai's information, you may not want followers that are based out of India or Pakistan or the UK or Europe, for that matter, if you live in the United States. So, guys, we'll sit tight here, and I'm going to pause this, and we'll be right back. Okay. Okay, guys. So it has been about 7 minutes, and you see I got about 6,000 contacts here. So instead of going through all 92,900, I'm just going to stop this. Okay. And I'm going to show you the results. And then this way it will be a lot quicker here for me to show you the results and move on to the next video here. So just a moment. This is going to stop. Okay, so we stopped it. It says extracting complete. I'm going to close that down. I'm going to hit download, and I will show you exactly what the data looks like. So with TikTok, it only extracts the name and phone number. So this is good for lookalike audiences on Facebook. And here we go. So now you'll see all these are from the United States. Okay, first, last name, whether they're male or female. We can sort these columns out here. So let me sort them out by gender. So I'm going to go like this. Okay, so those are all the males. Phone number not found, and their birth dates and stuff like that. So you can see the age of people. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is the audience of Mr. Ty Lopez's followers here. 6,000 of them. It was 92,000 there again. We could have extracted all of them, but for time purposes, this is what it looks like, and this is some great data. Okay, guys. So hopefully you got something out of the video, and you find a use for this, like lookalike audiences. SMS in the United States, you can definitely get in trouble for using SMS in these numbers in the United States. I'm not sure about other countries, but this data here, again, upload it into Facebook and create a lookalike audience, and this is what you'll get. You'll contact these exact people as long as they have a Facebook account. It will show you your ads to these particular customers. Okay, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.